Everyone, welcome to African Health Food. I hope everyone is well. You are welcome to my channel if your first time. For all my subscribers as well, thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I hope that you enjoy my channel. Today I have something nice and special for you guys. I'm going to make my Ghana chicken stew, the yummy one. So I have my chicken here. I have Pulvera chicken. For those who come from London, Pulvera chicken is quite tough chicken and it's tasty as well. And then I have onion and garlic that I chop here. I'm going to blend this and season my chicken with. And then I have two chicken stock cube. And then I have thyme, rosemary, mixed spice, and 2 bay leaf. And here I have chopped onions, 2 medium size for my stew. And then I have homemade tomatoes, and here I have 2 scotch bonnet, 1 large onion, garlic here, and here I have thyme, oregano, curry powder, and jumbo chicken cube and Maggi cube, and also tomato paste. And we have oil here as well, vegetable oil, but you can use any oil of your choice. And here I have jumbo chicken stock that I'm going to use as well. And I have my large pan here for my stew. So please, let's start it. And go ahead. So here I'm going to blend my onion and the ginger. Here I'm gonna add my cube also in there, and the mix spice, okay, and the thyme and the rosemary together here. And I'm gonna add a bit of water. So now I'm putting the mixture on the chicken, and I'm gonna add also the belly here, and also my chicken stock. About, let's say 1.5 teaspoons. That's it. So I'm gonna leave this to cook. Cover this, leave it to cook for about 20 minutes. So at this point our chicken is done. See, it's done. So we're just going to fry this and start our stew. Okay. At this point we're going to fry our chicken. Be careful, oil will stay anywhere. I'm gonna leave it to fry for about 10 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so now my chicken is done. I'm going to remove it from the oil and start our stew. So here I have taken some of the oil. I'll put it on the side. I don't need that much oil, so this is what I need. So now I'm gonna add my onions here. Yep. And I'm going to leave it to cook for 5 minutes. And I'm gonna add also, after when it's cooked, I'll add the mixture also. The onion, the scotch bonnet, and the garlic in here. Smells good. Yep. And also that's oregano, thyme, and curry powder. In here. It smells so good. I wish you were here to smell this. My house smells beautiful. And also Maggi and chicken stock cube together. Okay. That's it. And mix it. Yep. Maggi and chicken stock cube together. Okay. That's it. And mix it. Yep. Add our tomatoes, homemade tomatoes. We have cooked it, simmer and everything. So now I'm going to add this one into the mixture. Just mix them together. And now I'm going to add my stock, chicken stock, the chicken that I cooked earlier. That's the stock. Yeah, all of it. So now I'm gonna leave it to cook for about another 10 minutes, and I'll add my chicken in it. So now I'm adding the chicken into my stew. Yes. I remember I left the stew cooked for 10 minutes here before adding the chicken. Not too long. So now I'm just gonna leave it another 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes, and it will be ready. So yeah, voila, our sauce is finished. You can see it's cooked because the oil has risen, so you can tell that's finished. Yeah, so that's it. That's our chicken. So this chicken stew, you can eat with anything: rice, plantain, yam, eba, semolina, anything of your choice, wache, wherever. You can eat anything that you wish to eat with. Yeah, so thank you for coming today. I hope you like my cooking and that you'll come back again. Thank you very much and have a blessing day. Bye.